Welcome to the JW Marriott San Antonio Hill Country Resort and Spa, a unique vacation experience offering entertainment, fine dining, shopping, golf, and spa experiences, all in one destination. Experience upscale accommodations with modern decor and premium amenities in luxurious guest rooms and suites with walkout patios and balconies and expansive views of the beautiful Texas Hill Country. Guests will save a delectable fare at the resort's many award-winning restaurants. Cibolo Moon celebrates the diverse culture of the region, offering unique dishes that can be paired with any of the restaurant's diverse tequila offerings. At 18 Oaks, guests will discover distinctive upscale dining at an award-winning steakhouse, offering a true taste of Texas. Sports fans won't be disappointed with High Velocity, a sports bar and restaurant featuring a high-definition video wall and 2 Topgolf swing suites. Guests will appreciate the resort's full-service Starbucks, just steps away from the hotel lobby. Don't forget to set your tee time during your stay to take advantage of the resort's 2 championship golf courses at TPC San Antonio, host of the PGA Tour's Valero Texas Open. Family fun awaits in the resort's 9-acre water park experience, featuring 7 water slides, a lazy river, and multiple activity pools. Hide away in the adult-only pool and jacuzzi, overlooking miles of gorgeous hill country views. Guests seeking balance and rejuvenation can relax the day away at the Lantana Spa, a luxurious experience featuring indulgent services and treatments. Whether planning your next vacation with family or friends or dreaming of a romantic getaway, the JW Marriott San Antonio Hill Country Resort and Spa is truly an inspiring destination. Come and experience luxury in the beautiful Texas Hill Country.